Welcome to our new Kingsmill Industries website, designed with you in mind. Easy to navigate, our new site effortlessly blends product selection with relevant application suggestions. Searching for product information? Each product page not only features detailed information and product options, but also installation guidance where appropriate. As a new feature, datasheets and relevant catalogue pages can now be downloaded directly from our website using the download PDF function on the product pages themselves. We've also improved the quote request interface. As well as one-off quotes, you now have the option to create a user account to view and manage your online quotes and save your details for future requests, streamlining the entire process. Not sure what you need? We have an entire section dedicated to providing helpful guidance on product application, assisting you to make the right choice first time, every time. You'll also find our informational blog, Down to Earth, if you're after a more personal take on Kingsmill's products and processes or lightning protection itself. As always, our friendly team are here to help you. If you have any questions about our products, applications or website, please don't hesitate to contact us through the contact form on our website at sales@kingsmillearthing.co.uk or via phone. You can also contact us via our social media.